Thanks for listening to my lightning talk today. I'm Mike DeLaFleur, Capture Manager for the intelligence community at TekSynap, and also the project manager on the project I'm going to talk about today. Today, I'll be talking about our ARDA project, proof of concept we're building at our corporate TekXlerate lab. I worked on it in conjunction with our solution architect, Ken Farber, who also works at TekSynap. Our company is a mid-size IT solutions provider for the federal government and growing very quickly, lots of customers. The idea for the ARDA concept originated from working closely with GEOINT, Geospatial Intelligence Analysts, and understanding the need to leverage new capabilities for the next generations of analysts. Currently, analysts rely on a patchwork of tools, data stores, which makes it difficult to capture knowledge, complete tasks, share insights among teams. ARDA is the first step toward a more integrated, intuitive, and interactive analytic modeling environment where we automate analyst tasks, essentially an Analysts Workbench where they can work on one pane of glass. The name ARDA also has a dual meaning. It's a Lord of the Rings reference, meaning Earth. It's where the people of Middle Earth live in that literature. Our proof of concept, we're focusing on two key aspects. One is a gamified user experience, and two is an analysis data fabric powered by artificial intelligence or AI. Let's talk about gamification. Gamification involves incorporating game elements into non-game context. It's not a new concept, but it's gained significant traction in the last 15 years. Things like friendly competition, reward systems, simulated environments, competitions, I said, leaderboards, badges. It can inject excitement into daily tasks and engage folks and have them learn in new and meaningful ways. However, it's important to note that poor design or implementation can lead to failure. According to Gartner, 80% of these initiatives actually do fail in the workplace for various reasons. Some as simple as just the resentment that staff have being monitored excessively. Let's take a look at the user interface of our gamified analyst concept. We partnered with a company called Applied Visions Incorporated, a company well known for the UI UX workplaces like Planet Fitness and even the National Football League. The UI here is an analyst focusing on a KIQ or key intelligence question, bomb damage assessment of a nuclear plant in southwest Ukraine. In the UI, you can see the analyst avatar with a key intelligence question at the top left. And the UI itself showcases various other elements, such as the team working on the KIQ in the middle right, access to complex, robust activity and analytic models, the big white boxes in the center, and overall a simplified, decluttered palette. It has active and recommended tools that are recommended through things called recommendation engines at the bottom. Recommendation engines are familiar to us through interactions with platforms like Amazon. They provide guidance to analysts by suggesting relative data sources, models, and even subject matter experts outside their immediate teams. In a gamified UI, recommendation engines seamlessly connect users to the analysis fabric, which is an extension of the current state-of-the-art data fabric concept. Okay, the data fabric brings together an organization's data regardless of location or infrastructure, providing a unified data view. This analysis fabric expands on this by enabling universal data access and pre-processing, incorporating AI-driven analytic recommendations and guidance. This environment empowers the advanced analytics, things like machine learning, for example. So how does gamification fit into the symposium theme of the metaverse? It's not a complete realization of the metaverse, but it's halfway there. We currently already have hundreds, if not thousands, of people interacting in virtual worlds, especially in the gamified community, meeting the minimal qualifications of the metaverse: sense of immersion, real-time interactivity, and user agency. The full version of the metaverse is seamless integration of all platforms and devices, enabling thousands of simultaneous interactions and use cases well beyond gaming, such as interactive GEOINT production. As I conclude, I like to leave this slide up with our contact QR codes while summarizing a few lessons learned. One is to carefully select the game elements you use based on your user base that resonate with your team and your workflow. an obvious observation, but often off-the-shelf solutions are implemented that don't take into account specific environments and cultures. Lesson 2, technology choice. We've learned this stuff works a lot better in gamified abled environments, if you will, which is like high-end visual technology, better computers, gaming computers, versus, for instance, doing stuff like this on a Chromebook. Third, we found that there's a lot of work across the world, agencies like the DoD, but it's not very coordinated. A lot of work in stovepipe applying gamification and this concept to user and missions. Hopefully forums like this let us interact with other folks across the community and break down some of those stovepipes. And last, things like gamification and better ways to do work technologically on their own will not fix organizational morale and productivity problems. They can certainly help, but these are certainly not silver bullets, as it were. So thank you for attending and listening today. We're excited about the ARDA project and its potential, and hopefully we'll find some new collaboration partners here. So thanks again.